video is going to be a little bit different today. So if you want to see what this one is all about, I'm not going to be cooking any recipes or anything, but I'm going to be talking about this stuff right here. So if you want to see what this is all about, then stay tuned. If you're new to my channel and you want to know more about wonderful keto foods and recipes and what I'm doing to lose weight, then click that subscription button below. Leave me a comment to let me know you are here, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. All right, stay tuned. I'm going to tell you what this stuff is all about. Hey everybody, welcome back to Chicken Bites. I'm in a hurry. Oh, it is a beautiful... Dr.Matthew to try out their collagen peptides. So if you want to know what collagen peptides is and what this powder is all about, I'm just going to tell you about a few of the health benefits. And the one thing that interests me, and I thought, I think I do want to try that out. It says the health benefits of collagen. It rejuvenates your beauty, okay? It promotes joint health, strong hair and nails, a youthful complexion, muscle repair, radiant skin, and healthy digestion. Okay, so I'm getting a bit up there in age. I'm not old, but I'm getting up there. And one thing that I've noticed as I go on my morning walks is my knees and my ankles. I'm having, some joint pains in my knees and in my ankle. And so I'm hoping that the collagen peptides are going to help me out in that area. And also with healthy digestion. I'm hoping that collagen peptides will help to promote a healthy digestion for me. So the good thing about this is that it's unflavored, that it can mix with any type of beverage that you have. It stirs and it mixes very, very easily. So I'm going to try this for the first time today. I'm going to put some of this in my coffee. So one thing that I'm going to try is this roasted herbal tea. Okay, let me let you guys see the brand here. So my mom's been drinking this. She says that it's wonderful. So I'm going to try this, and I'm going to stir some of my Dr.Matthew's collagen powder into it, and let's see if it works. All right, so I'm opening my tea. All right, and this is a hazelnut tea. Again, this is no caffeine, which is great. It smells amazing. So we're gonna put that in there. Go ahead and pour our water in. All right, so we've got our tea in here, and we're supposed to allow this to steep for 3 to 5 minutes. So we're gonna do that. All right, my tea has been steeping for about 5 minutes, and so now I'm getting ready to add my Dr.Matthew's. And the instructions say to using as a dietary supplement, adults mix 1 scoop with your favorite beverage or meal 1 to 2 times daily. Enjoy with or between meals, mixing into hot or cold liquids, juices, smoothies, or your favorite recipes. So you can use this in any of your juices, some of your flavored waters. I'm going to use it again in my tea. You can use it in soups, your oatmeal, things like that. Okay. So my concern is, the taste. I'm hoping that it really doesn't alter the taste of anything. Well, since it's really my first time trying this right here, I probably won't be too bothered by it. So we shall see. All right, so the scoop, oh wow, I don't see the scoop. I think the scoop is all the way down here. So this is what I'm gonna do. All right, can't find the scoop anywhere up here, so I'm gonna stick my fork down in here. Uh-oh, I feel it down there at the bottom, guys. Let's see if I can pull it on up to the top without wasting any of the powder. I think it's coming up. I think it's coming up. There it is. Ha-ha. All right, got my scoop here. The first thing I'm gonna do, it says 1 scoop. So I'm gonna put 1 scoop of my collagen in here, 1 level scoop. Make sure you guys can see that. 1 level scoop. So we'll put that in there. Ooh, seemed like a lot in that little cup, doesn't it? And let's mix that in. All right, now, just like I would my coffee, I am going to put some monk fruit sweetener in my coffee or my tea. Gotta have some type of sweetener, so I'm gonna put a little bit of monk fruit in there. All right. Here I am. Okay, so now, here we are. So let's see how this is. Oh, number 1, it's extremely hot, so I'm hoping I'm not fixing to burn my tongue right now. Here we go. This is not bad, guys. I don't taste anything weird or funny, okay? It tastes nothing weird or funny. It tastes like coffee. It tastes like coffee. It tastes like coffee, and I am pleased. Okay. All right, so we're good to go with this. This is all good. This is all good. All right, guys, just wanted to talk to you really quickly about my keto journey. Number 1, I am not a doctor. I'm not a nurse. I am not in the medical profession at all. I'm just talking to you guys a little bit about my journey with keto, my experiences. Okay, so I have been on keto. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I've been off and on keto for quite some time. And, you know, my problem is just those cravings and sticking with the diet. So that causes me to go off and on. And sometimes I'll mess up like 2-3 days in a row. But I keep coming back. I've never just given up completely. I make sure I get my exercise in on a weekly basis. I exercise at least 4 to 5 times a week. And I'm always very cautious every meal that I eat. I'm always aware of what it is that I'm eating, even when it's sometimes the wrong thing to eat. And then I feel guilty, but I've been doing really, really well the last few weeks. And so, I know you saw my thumbnail picture, and, that's just how well I'm doing right now. And so there's, significant weight loss. It's been right at 12 pounds, but it's just not significant enough for me. I'm going to still keep pressing. I'm going to still keep going. So I'm going to start doing more videos on some of the things that I eat, because I'm truly being encouraged now when I see the scale going down. It encourages me. It encourages me to want to do more, to do better. So I'm going to do more videos showing you guys what I'm eating on a daily basis, and how I got to the place where I am right now, okay? And just sticking with keto is really what helps. Just simply sticking to the diet and fighting those cravings. And I know, guys, it's hard when you have those cravings, especially if you're a bread lover like me. I mean, I love me some bread. I love me crispy fried. I love potatoes. Oh my goodness, I love potatoes. So a lot of times those are the things that really, really get me. But I'm feeling so much better. I'm pushing myself more whenever I'm working out. I push myself to do quite a bit more, and I feel a difference. I'm drinking more water, at least a minimum. I'm supposed to drink a lot more than this, but I make sure I get a minimum of 64 ounces a day. I'm going to try to make it my goal to get to at least 100 ounces. It's a journey, it's a struggle, and if you are anything like me and you've struggled, I understand. But I'm trusting in my faith to help me to push through and get to my goal weight, So anyway, here again is my before and after picture. That is where I'm at now. I think since I did that picture, last week? Since then, I'm probably down a couple more pounds, and I'm 4'11". So any little bit of weight gained or loss, you can really see, because there's not much height to work with here with me. But anyway, to all of my new subscribers, thank you guys so much. It is my goal to bring delicious recipes, quick recipes, because I'm a working mom and wife. I have I'm an entrepreneur. I have my own art center in downtown, and YouTube is just something that I love doing. It's my therapy. It's my it's just something that relaxes me, and I enjoy cooking and being able to talk with you guys via the comment section down there. And then I love when I get emails from you guys after you visited my website. I love that. So continue to visit my website, download the recipes, print them out, tweak them to your liking. I love it. I love it. I love it. So email me. I love talking with you guys. All right, well, I'm gonna finish my tea. I'm gonna continue to do updates. I've already cooked my meal for today, so I'm gonna be uploading that probably in a few here. And it was good talking to you guys. It really was. I'm gonna keep you guys posted. I'm trying, I don't know if you've noticed, I'm trying to get out at least 2 more videos per week instead of doing the 1 video. So I'm trying to get like 3 to 4 videos per week. Hopefully I'll be able to work my way up to 5. I don't know. But anyway, it was great talking to you guys. Thanks for joining me as always. And I pray that you and your family have a blessed and prosperous week. Again, if you haven't subscribed, click that subscription button. I'd love you to become a part of the Sincerely Lagenia family. Have a blessed and prosperous week, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Until next time, bye.